Ever thought about that humble kitchen sponge sitting by your sink? Well, hold on to your aprons, because what I'm about to tell you might just shock you. Your kitchen sponge, that trusty sidekick for cleaning dishes, is actually a breeding ground for bacteria. Yep, you heard me right. Bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. Love the damp, cozy environment of a sponge. In fact, a used sponge can harbor millions of bacteria per square inch. Now, why should you care? Because using a contaminated sponge can increase the risk of foodborne illnesses and cross-contamination. Imagine scrubbing your cutting board with a germ-infested sponge. Yikes! It's like inviting bacteria to your next meal. So what can you do? First off, replace your sponges regularly. Experts recommend getting a new one every 1 to 2 weeks. But I get it, sponges can add up. Here's a budget-friendly hack: microwave your damp sponge for 1 to 2 minutes. This can zap most of those nasty bacteria. Just be careful when you take it out, it'll be hot. And there you have it, a simple change to keep your kitchen cleaner and your family safer.